How to redeem MTG Arena Codes mobile. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can redeem your codes for MTG Arena in your mobile. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So basically what you must do is open your web browser and you're going to type this URL, myaccount.wizards.com. Again, I'm going to repeat it, myaccount.wizards.com, and you're going to be redirected to this panel. So you must sign in with your email and password, or you can do it too with your Steam. I'm going to do it with my Steam by now. So I'm going to sign in with my account name and password. Because I have my Steam with the two-factor authentication, in this case mobile authenticator, I must enter a code. So just go into your app. I'm going to show you anyways. Steam, you must tap in the shield at the bottom. And now show Steam guard code. Show Steam guard code. And this is the code you must to get into the previous page. I'm going to link my account. So now that you are into your account here in wizards.com, if you just scroll down a little, you're gonna find the option to redeem a code. So there is a bar and you must type your code and then tap on redeem. And that's how you can do it. That's how you can redeem MTG Arena codes in your mobile. Thanks for watching.